So doing the oil change, 2018 Ford Transit 350. So I'm under the driver's side, and here's the oil filter. You look over here. Let me show you right there. That's the oil drain plug right here. So try to loosen that now. Drain the oil. So let's get it. Let's see if the 15 fit. Where is it? Okay, the 15 look like it fit. Let's see, let's unloosen it. Yep, 15 millimeter, fit perfect. Oh, got it. Where's my rag? Can I just let it drain? So, this is the brand I'm using, STP. The oil filter, the number for this is the S10590. Put it in. That should be good. Okay, so let's loosen this up. Damn, so put the whole time like that. But you gotta be careful using this because it punctured the oil filter. But this is an old oil filter anyways. So let's be real careful. Okay, so it's loosening up. Two hand loosen now. Put the oil drainer underneath and just drain it slowly. Try not to make a mess. So there you go. Let it drain. So just like that. Oh, sorry. Just let it drain. There you go. So when you put the new one in, don't forget to lube the rubber. That's what I learned. This one, lube this. So if you use the old oil like this, you just dab it and just put it around the rim like that. And I'm gonna try to just hand tight it back on. Let's move this aside. Let's put this in now. And push the oil drain aside. Just turn it. I should never touch with my hand while it's oil like that. It's gonna be slippery. I'm trying to hand tighten it to the best of my ability. Hand tight, because you don't want to damage the filter. So, righty tighty. So I'm gonna go up. Be real careful. Just that. So yeah, that's how you do an oil change. And then the oil filter replacement. And next, you just put the oil in. So this is the oil I'm using, the 5W20. Got it for a deal. Forgot altogether oil. The oil filter was 28 bucks total. So yeah, I'm about to put it on the engine, start it up.